Quick question for homeowners in Germantown, Silver Spring, and across Montgomery County. Are you still thinking about selling this year? Over the past few weeks, I've shared how buyer activity has picked up. More open house visitors, more showings, many homes receiving multiple offers shortly after hitting the market. Interest rates around 6%, with some buyers qualifying for even lower. That's bringing serious buyers back into the market. Here in Germantown and Silver Spring and throughout the county, we're seeing strong demand for well priced homes. Same is happening in parts of Frederick, Prince George's, and Howard County. Buyers are active across the region and are looking for their next move. So, if selling has been on your minds for the spring and summer, this is a really good moment to pause and ask, what could my home sell for right now? And what would my next move look like? This is my last message in this short market update series. But if you're even thinking about selling in 2026, I'd love to give you a personalized home value and a simple plan. Call, text, or email me anytime. No pressure, no obligation, smart information, and good timing.